Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, samahan nyo ako sa ating experience for today. So, today is Saturday, February 28. I think ang tagal na kasi nung last time na nakapag-upload tayo ng video. So, this time, we'll take this opportunity para makapag-vlog at ma-share ko na din sa inyo yung magiging experience natin for today. Kain muna tayo, guys. So guys, ready na tayo. We're going. Outfit check. Whoops. So guys, eto na. Papunta na tayo sa car. Dahil nauna na yung mga kasamahan ko. Ayan. Oops. Yeah. Hello guys. So andito na tayo ngayon sa labas ng aming building. Punta tayo sa park ng sasakyan. So naglalakad na tayo papunta sa parking. Kaylee, come na, let's go inside. Nakilagay na natin lahat yung mga gamit natin, guys. So ready na. Una na tayo, guys. Ang tagal ng mga kasama ko kasi nag-update yung cellphone nung ating driver, si Big Brother. So dito tayo ngayon sa sasakyan. Ayan.
Hello!
Where are you going?
We're going to Fujairah in our villa.
Oh, in our villa.
In a rented villa.
Papa.
How about you, Kaylee?
No. So, we're not going yet, eh?
Diba? Hindi pa nakakaalis.
Kumakain na
Ay,
po.
yung bata, kumakain na sila. Oh, Kaylee, gutom yan? Takot magutom?
Facebook.
Kain yan.
Hello. Hello, Badang.
Are you ready? Ilang oras yung travel? 1
hour.
How many hours?
1 hour, 6 minutes. I don't know.
Have you seen it?
30 minutes.
Oh, yeah. 1 hour, 30 minutes.
The what?
To go to Fujairah in our rented villa.
Correct.
My goodness. Okay, kaya
Yummy.
your ano?
where you going? Let's go up. Let's check the second floor. Hold your adding gate, Clara. Is this your room? Oh, this is the master bedroom.
I want to sleep in the master bedroom.
So this is the view. Mga kawal, pinapatawag ko kayong lahat. Dito sa likod. Hey, Kaylee!
Oh my god, the other.
Hi guys! So, andito na tayo ngayon sa Villa Aldana sa Fujairah. So, nakarating na tayo at nakapag-house tour na rin tayo. Mga rooms, ang gaganda. Very, recommended siya. Highly recommended siya. Napakaganda. Tignan nyo yung view sa likod. May mountain, tapos may dagat din dyan. Tapos, syempre, may sariling pool.
Yay! Wait for Mama, Kiki!
So, maliligo na daw yung mga bata, guys. So, let's go. Habang mainit pa, kasi mamaya baka biglang malamig na kasi dito. Probinsya, di ba? So, let's go.
Be careful, be careful. Is it cold? Wait. Oh, no, it's not. Wait lang. Hold Daddy.
Today's video, we're in Fujairah in our swimming pool in Abdullah.
And this is the swan. And there's Kaylee! Are you having good time? Kaylee?